living with purpose and clarity. Everyone wants a happy and meaningful life. Living with purpose and clarity means knowing what is important to you and making choices that help you grow and improve. Purpose is the reason you do something. It is the why behind your actions. For example, you study English because you want better opportunities in the future. You exercise because you want a healthy body. When you have a purpose, you feel more motivated every day. Clarity means having a clear mind. It helps you understand what you want and what you do not want. Sometimes life feels confusing. There are many choices, and it can be difficult to decide. But when you have clarity, you can focus on what truly matters. How can we live with purpose and clarity? First, know your values. What do you care about? Family, education, health, kindness, creativity. Everyone has different values. When your actions match your values, you feel more satisfied. Second, set simple goals. You do not need to change everything at once. Small steps are powerful. Write down what you want to achieve this week or this month. Then work on it little by little. Third, remove distractions. Some things take your time and energy but do not help your life. For example, spending too much time on your phone or worrying about what others think. Focus on what helps you get better. Next, be present. Enjoy the moment. Listen when someone speaks to you. Notice the world around you. When you pay attention, life feels richer and calmer. Finally, be patient and kind to yourself. Growth takes time. You will make mistakes, and that is okay. Learn from them and try again. Living with purpose and clarity helps you feel stronger and happier. Every day is a chance to take one step forward. Believe in your journey. You have the power to create a life you love.